Welcome to Patagonia, a stunning region shared between Argentina and Chile, offering an unparalleled destination for nature enthusiasts and cultural explorers alike. Known for its pristine natural beauty, Patagonia boasts rugged mountains, impressive glaciers, and crystal-clear lakes that captivate every traveler. But Patagonia is not only about its scenic landscapes, it's also rich in cultural heritage. The region is home to various indigenous communities, each with unique traditions, music, and dances. Throughout the year, vibrant cultural festivals are held, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the local culture. For the adventurous souls, Patagonia offers a plethora of outdoor activities. Hiking enthusiasts will be enthralled by the rugged trails of Torres del Paine National Park and the awe-inspiring Perito Moreno Glacier. You can also kayak on the crystal-clear lakes or try your hand at rock climbing amidst the dramatic Andean peaks. Now let's talk about some essential travel tips for your Patagonian adventure. First, be prepared for unpredictable weather. Patagonia's climate can change rapidly, so pack layers and waterproof gear to stay comfortable during your explorations. Second, if you plan to trek or hike in remote areas, consider hiring a local guide. They not only enhance your experience with their expertise, but also prioritize your safety in this vast wilderness. Safety is paramount in Patagonia's vast and rugged terrain. Always inform someone about your travel plans and carry essential emergency supplies. Respect the local wildlife and adhere to the guidelines provided by your guides and park rangers to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Now let's discuss estimated costs for travelers. Keep in mind that these are approximate figures and can vary based on travel preferences and season. For travelers from the USA, a moderate budget trip for 1 week in Patagonia may cost around $2,000 to $3,000, including accommodation, meals, guided tours, and local transportation. For travelers from the UK, a similar week-long trip may range from £1,500 to £2,500. And for our European travelers, a moderate budget may require around €1,800 to €2,800 for the same duration. The estimated costs provided are approximate and may vary depending on factors such as travel style, accommodations, and activities chosen. Travelers are advised to research and plan accordingly to suit their preferences and budget. Before we wrap up, don't miss the opportunity to indulge in the delightful local cuisine. Patagonia is a paradise for food lovers, with dishes that highlight the region's abundant seafood, succulent grilled meats, and flavorful stews. Be sure to savor a traditional Patagonian lamb barbecue or try the delectable seafood empanadas for an authentic taste of the region. Whether you're captivated by the towering mountains, fascinated by the vibrant culture, or seeking thrilling adventures, Patagonia offers a truly unforgettable experience for every traveler. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Patagonia. We hope to inspire you to explore this incredible destination and create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to respect the environment, local culture, and practice responsible tourism as you embark on your Patagonian adventure.